And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, after a marathon meeting with the Transport Authority, the Jamaica Constabulary Force and several groups representing taxi associations across the country, there is a consensus.
All the areas of contention surrounding the Road Traffic Act were highlighted, and now there's a review expected to be done by the end of June. Romarda Lyons reports.
On Tuesday, many Jamaicans were anxious. Their main question, will this be day 2 of the strike? But after a meeting with transport stakeholders ending in a consensus, perhaps that won't be the case again anytime soon. A release from the Transport Authority says the meeting facilitated a review of the traffic ticketing demerit points, and during such, all the areas of contention in the Road Traffic Act were identified and recommendations were made. The recommendations will be sent to Transport Minister Darrell Vaz for consideration based on the review of the Road Traffic Act that is currently underway. Now, all recommendations were agreed upon by all parties present, and over 7 taxi associations were represented. Mr. Vaz says all parties had an opportunity to lay their concerns on the table.
Everybody got a fair share and a fair hearing, and some of the concerns that they have raised are legitimate concerns. They are not the only ones. There are other public motorists and private motorists who have concerns, and we need to address them so that when we are finished the review, we can say that we have taken into consideration all of the concerns that have come to our attention.
Mr. Vaz says the review will be completed by the end of June, but one outstanding issue remains. That's how to address the issue of individuals who've already reached the threshold of demerit points for suspension of licenses up to the point of the review.
That matter also will be referred to the ministry and a decision taken at cabinet level. I can indicate that the question as to how to resolve the issue of motorists who were issued with tickets for infractions and thereafter discover that information pertaining to the driver and our motor vehicle is incorrect was addressed. The police have since made available contact 24-hour help desk at the traffic ticketing support unit.
Again, the minister stressed that Monday's strike was unnecessary.
It's a lack of communication between the transport operators and organizations and their membership, along with some people using it for political motives and for mischief and illegal activities. There was no winner yesterday. Jamaica lost, the taxi operators that withdrew their service lost, they didn't earn $1.
According to the ministry, withdrawals primarily included taxi and coaster operators, with impacts felt across the Kingston Metropolitan Transport Region and surrounding areas. Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.
And